What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Zilafe here, and welcome back to another episode of Wildlife Park 2, my dream zoo in Igbaras. I think it is episode 6. So, today I created a lot of this off screen, off cam, I mean. I created this to remember us that this zoo is Igbaras Zoo. And let's see, I added another one elephant right over here and some trees. Oh wait, let's get let's put this. Nice. So what else? Our monkey is doing well. Oh, also forgot to rework this. And let's put this right over here and here. Okay, so this time I am planning to create another exhibit, and it will gonna be a parrot exhibit. I will put the parrot right over here, so it is not big. I am planning to create a big enclosure because my money is running out and it is getting low and low, and I don't want to overspend that. And yeah, I'm going to create a small enclosure. First, need to put, or I mean add this guy, and maybe this guy right over here. Oh, oops, yes, right over here. Let's move them here, and this guy here. I don't know what should I do in this area. Maybe I will design, or I will create something like that. Let's just put our fences. So I am planning to make this kind of fence for our parrots right over here, over here, and here, and here, and that's it. Maybe that's enough, but let's put our gate so that the animal keeper can come in. And what else? We say grain feed, fruits. Okay. Post. Okay. They need some fruits or grains, so we will put some grains right here and fruits over here. And we forgot to turn. Oh fuck, what the frick did I done? I'm freaking stupid for doing that. Here you go. Ah, what the heck? Okay. So again, let's open production here. We have a ton of them, so let's just forget it for now to save a lot of money. And wait, did they need water or not? Nope, no water. They don't care about water. Hardness of the ground 10 to 90, so it's okay. And let's choose what is the tree we are going to put inside here. Maybe this, because I like this kind of tree. Maybe over here, and or maybe we could also add 2 or 3 of this kind of tree. Some coconut palm tree over here. And wait, let's fix their problem first. Oh, they're so cold. Let's run this juice off. 50, they need 50, and here you go. Here you go, and let's put some heater. Okay, yes, heater. And done. To run this juice off. Here you go. What else? Okay. Let's add some minor details. Let's just add some bush over here, and maybe this tree, the almond tree, because I like this tree. Yes? Oh no, I guess it's ugly. This not looks like a tropical zone, or I mean tropical enclosure. Let's just add this. Whoops, another invisible man is walking. Like the last time. And maybe let's create some, like a path to make this like a natural one over here. And do they need some home? Let's see what it looks like. Maybe a nest, a ground nest. I guess it's not for them. It's a large tree house. No, it is also not for them. Tree. No. I guess this ground nest. Let's just do it. And let's add our first parrot. It will going to be a male to female, or I mean 3, 4, and 2 male. Okay, perfect, I guess. And one of our parrot is invisible, or I mean, what is this? A handyman. Okay. That's uncool. But we now created, okay, he or she. He loves the nest, and maybe that's okay. Let's see what are the problems. Some more decorations. Okay, we will add some decoration later. First, let's add some, what do you call this, binoculars, so that the tourists can observe what are happening in our birds. Over here, what's happening in our parrots. One in each side. Okay, another one over here. Another one over here, and over here. Okay, let's see. I guess it's okay. They like their nest. And let's put something in the center over here. Okay. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Or let's just extend this and remove some of this. Oops, okay. And make this green. Okay, let's also add this tower so that they can observe what are happening in the whole area. Over here, let's put some of this. Okay, it's done. Let's put some decorations because they really want that decoration. Over here, one over here, and also over here. By the way, these birds are too goddamn noisy. Listen to that. Oh, it's so annoying. But they are so pretty. I don't care. Yeah. Let's continue what we're doing. Right, let's add some of this. Some flowers. Okay, what? So the ground is too soft. Let's put some 50. Okay, make this all 50. Are you happy now? Yes, our plants is very happy. Okay. Wait. Some upspring. Okay, just breed so that they can earn more money. I will sell you Bongo 12. Also you. Wait. I can catch you. Bongo 14. Sell this one. Also this. And let's see. Oh, our moose have a lot of breeding population. What is your problem? Okay, let's sell you. Let's see. Who's this? Swift. Moose 9. Let's just give him a chance and let's move. Or I mean, let's name him Muzang. Okay, now your name is Muzang. So here is Muzang. Okay, so maybe let's do some fencing right over here. Yes, so that it will not look that ugly. Okay, maybe that's all right. And make this some stone, something. Make it looks like it's a part of the roads. Okay. Yes, and maybe let's add some plants because I really love some plants. Oh no, it's not gonna work. This, no, it's also not gonna work. This tree, this Christmas Scott tree can do its job. So let's just plant a lot of them. Okay, maybe that's enough, or let's just add this one. Okay, this one. So our zoo is slowly expanding. First, we have our moose, and now they explode in population. But wait, where is Rhea and Ronald? Let's see, what is this? They live in within 25 years, and his age is 8 years. So there's a lot of time for them to boost their population. Okay, let's just sell this another one. So right, we have created our another enclosure, and it is a parrot enclosure. Look at that. It's really like a zoo now. Because let's walk over here. Wait, over here. Let's see what our zoo looks like. So when we enter here, we can see where we make our food for our animals. Whoa, a toilet over here. And some of this, but the problem is the tourists can't see what are these buildings, so let's just forget that. And this is the poultry, where also animals get butchered to feed to our carnivore animals. And this is the first enclosure. Wait, what's happening? Don't mind that butterfly just stuck in the air. So here is the moose, and here are the, what do you call this, the ATM machine, so that we can drain money from our tourists here. And also the next enclosure, if you go over here, is the bongo exhibit, or I mean bongo enclosure. Look at them. Wait, through this. Look at them. And then let's go to our another enclosure. Let's just quickly run over here. Oh, there's a duck. What are you doing here? Those stupid ducks. And wait. Okay, sorry about that. So here is the elephant enclosure. Okay, good. They are so large. And if we go over here in our bridge, we will go to our next side, and we will see another enclosure right here, and it is going to be our chimpanzee enclosure in our last episode. They are eating some ants over here, and if we quickly go from where we start and go to the right, over here, we're going to right, and we can now see our Komodo dragon here. Our great Komodo dragon, and this is now our new exhibit, the parrot exhibit, and they are so goddamn noisy. But wait, I saw some. Oh, it's not flopped. So let's quickly fix this, okay? See? Oh no. This one. Oh. Maybe we did that a little much. Okay. Yes, that's... No, or maybe let's just do everything we can to flood this one. That looks like a bit awkward. Okay, maybe that's okay. Oh, whoops. Ah, so goddamn noisy. Listen to that sound of parrots. Freaking parrots. We should name one of them, and this is going to be Andrea. So I guess that's it for today's episode, guys. We created another enclosure full of parrots. And if you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching, guys. And bye.